In this video, I'm going to show you guys on how to totally fix CapCut lag. Now, if you are, editing with your CapCut app and you're always observing that your videos are lagging, then there are some few settings that you have to, add to your CapCut app so that it's going to stop giving you this lagging problem. Now, the first thing that you need to do is that you need to click on your menu. Then once you click on this, go to settings. Once in your settings, go to the performance section. And then you see this encode and decode. Make sure you turn these two sections on. Speed up your hardware encoding and also speed up your hardware decoding. Then once you are done with this, make sure that you enable this section. You see this interface rendering. Make sure that you enable this section. Now, once you are done with that, you are not still done. You need to actually click this section. You see this full section that says playback quality. Now you are going to have to reduce the quality because this quality is all about playback, which is what you are normally going to be seeing on the screen while you are previewing your video. So you are going to have to reduce the quality so that your video is going to be playing much more faster. So once you click on it, I would suggest that you use either medium or you use low. So for this video, I'm going to be going with medium. Now once you are done choosing this, there's still one more thing left for you to do. Now make sure that you unselect your video. Let me say your video is selected like this. Make sure you click on this gray area to unselect the video. Now, once you've unselected your video, you are going to see this modify section. Click on it. And then once you've clicked on it, go ahead and go to the performance section. Once you get in here, you are going to see the proxy. Turn on your proxy. And then once you are done turning your proxy, you see this resolution. Click on it and then put it at 540p and then click save. Now, once you've done all this, your video is going to be playing much more better in your CapCut app when you are editing. Another thing you are going to observe is that whenever you are previewing your video, the quality is going to be a little bit low, but you don't have to worry. It's not going to affect the exported video. So once you export your video, the quality is still going to be on the high side. So this is the exact and the accurate way for you to actually fix CapCut lag on any PC device. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.